All right, I need somebody to tell me what the significance of the project is here. What are we doing? Whoa, one person.
We're trying to explode the watermelon. So what you do basically is get a watermelon and then put a lot of rubber bands in the middle. 300 to 700. And then like after.
How many, Jack?
300 to 700.
Leah, what do we do next?
We put all the rubber bands on it and then it will explode eventually.
Caitlin, then what?
Because all the pressure, the rubber bands will want to get smaller, but they can't. But so if you put enough rubber bands, it will just come out as a big ball.
What do you think?
Some of them will fly around. I think it'll pop. Here, we can do like 3 at a time.
So how many rubber bands do you think are on there now?
Like 100. No, not or like 55. About 50.
About 50. How many do you think it's going to take to do?
At least 300.
300.
Or maybe even 200.
You got a lot of time. Keep going. Don't stop now.
It says 1,017.
How many rubber bands we at now?
I don't know, about 70 maybe.
That's it? More than that. Keep going.
We're probably at like my cup, bro. 60.
I don't know.
Or like
I'm not
80.
sure.
More.
Like 70.
Yeah.
We're doing 2.
How many are we up to now? How many rubber bands?
Probably 100 or something.
100. We're going to need more than that.
Whoa. This is like a 3. This is good.
We're going to need more than that.
Okay, got it. Look at how much is on there already. It's starting to crack a little. Where?
Speed kills.
Yeah, those little cracky spots. Those spots.
It is getting a little more longer.
I don't know. I
Yeah,
haven't seen
it
it
is getting
behind.
elongated.
It's getting wet from people's hair and stuff. They film them from farther away.
You guys gotta speed it up though. It's gonna get dark.
Yeah, once this thing bursts.
Guys, just go on like.
Can we just take a hammer to it?
No!
No, that's what the heck? That's cheating! Why does it look like that?
Wow. I walked away for 2 seconds.
It's dripping down my pants!
Jack, how was that? And I got a piece of the lap. Look at the ball of rubber band. Flip it over.